What's up, bag holders? Here we go. Let's hit the main account. Market's down, so flips are in play. If you watched the last video for the public account, you'll know that we got one that we can call on. We're going to check our list first, and that's how that's going to run. As we go to catching up the spreadsheet, let's see what we got. The charity money did go through. I did put those orders in. That was nice. Got a dividend, APD. The cash flow order filled and the spinoff order filled. And then looks like we've been buying BitX and SPXL, so we'll start there. The SPXL, I'm actually onto the 15-minute now, but I have not purchased on the 15-minute. And but I've got my full 10 tranches here. Oh, damn. So it looks like we're out at 68. I could probably sell it right now. Well, it looks like I'm still barely stuck. So you can see building a position here and all the way through. So all good. So I'm on the 15-minute now for buys, and you can see it spiked up. So no buys yet, but if it continues to fall down, we'll be able to add down and lower the cost basis there as well. No big deal. BitX, you can see I'm a little busy at work today. We're up on this one. Made quite a bit of money so far, but we're just hanging out. Didn't get a whole lot of buys in. Just distracted doing things at work. No big deal. And UCO never hit. So it looks like we don't have even a sell in here. And you can see exactly this how I do it once per bar. If you look at the notification side, I got a notify in app, and that lights my phone up. Some people get a text message from their spouse. I don't have that problem, so I get a text message from the stock market that says, "Hey, yo, take your money." I'm happy to do it. All right. Commodities, no movement here, but we'll go through them just to stay consistent. There is power in consistency. And you can see the ones we're trying to sell, no dice. The ones we're trying to buy, no dice. But worked out all right. Go to the daily. We're looking for a swing trade exit or an opportunity to buy a swing trade. We haven't had much in this arena for a little while. We did pick up Boeing, right? So we did do that. But other than that, should be nice and quick. I don't think we're stocking very many. APD is going to be another one. And I did want to go on a rant for APD. And if you go here and you see the financials, you hear me talk about every day this on the screener that it's too expensive to buy it, right? But, however, we bought it. Why? If it's too expensive down here, why do we buy it up here? And it's because it's a different strategy. Okay, so in the flip strategy we use for the public account, and we use in this account as well, when a stock is under 30 RSI and the market is down, we buy the sucker every day because we've got conviction that we're buying something that is worth more than what we're paying for it, right? Because the value comes into play. The swing trade that we do here with the little circles and all the cute stuff, it's based on momentum and price movement. Now, what makes this a safer bet is that when we had the 30 RSI spike and we finally got the 5 to cross above the 20, that was our entry. That was one bullet, one tranche. And you can see, even though, on the flip strategy, we buying every day. Boom, 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 boom. A lot of money, a lot of money, a lot of money, a lot of money, right? But with the swing strategy, we have to wait all the way until it sets up again, and then it's only another one. So that would only be the second buy, versus on the flip strategy, you expose yourself to more risk if you do not factor in the value of the asset, because you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then as you keep going, it becomes a larger percentage of your total portfolio. Now, as that happens, you can put your entire portfolio at risk because you're dumping money in, even though it's 30 RSI, it's overpriced for historical market values. And you could end up having all of your money in at the wrong time. So the only time that your stock will be repriced and you'll be able to sell for profits is if the company makes enough money and grows to where the value where you bought it is now fair value, or if the market goes irrational again. That's a huge risk. So you always got to time your entries, because even though by doing that you still a coin flip, you can have the conviction to hold on. And I don't sell for a loss. It's against my credo. When we get on the beach, we burn the damn ships. Nobody's going home until we get a victory. So it's all or nothing for me. So I have to be real careful, and then use value as part of the flip strategy. So even though it's not a flip, though, if it sets up again, we will buy it again as a swing strategy. Another thing, too, is to think about the upside. So on a swing, you can make a lot. Whereas a flip, the target is 1%. Hopefully that makes sense to you. It's more about risk to reward, so you can see smaller risk through less purchases to bigger reward. Or when you're flipping, and it's undervalued with a good PE, low debt, cash flow, you're trying to get as much in as fast as you can, because time will work against you, because it's likely to come out of the 30 RSI quickly because it's undervalued, which makes it a higher percentage trade. So a combination of the three strategies, these two combined with options, selling, that's what works for me. So that's what I do. So hopefully that makes a little sense to y'all. I did want to rant a little bit about that, because we're sitting here holding APD. We got the dividend today, and I'm on the other account saying, well, that's just too damn expensive. It is. It is. And if you don't agree with it, go ahead and put your note in the suggestion box out front. All right, nothing there. So quick recap, since it's already handy. EPR is a REIT. It's one we've bought before. Nice hard support. This one will take the main account as well as a flip. You follow? Am I clear to you? Just goofing. Alright. Let's take a peek, see what we got here. I think we did 41.62. Yeah, we're not paying these crazy prices. 41.62. My brokerage shows a 42.30. Oh, for your benefit, so that you can get filled right away, even though you get fleeced. So for those of you with jobs and stuff like that, make sure that you're keeping them honest by looking, like here, I'm looking on this screen, or I'll look at TradingView or something, but look somewhere else other than your brokerage, just to make sure you're getting a fair price, because your brokerage is incentivized to collect as much money as they can from you, because you are the customer. You are the cash flow. All right. So enough of the old rambling man. We'll go through here, and we're looking for swing trade entries, and we're done. And my internet obviously is working slow. This stuff is not even updating. With a broken mouse wheel. All right. Yeah, I'm too cheap. I still didn't get one yet. uh, all right. So we're just looking for swing trade entries. I don't know how tomorrow's going to go either. I'm getting some dental work done. So I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to feel. It's going to be a pretty big deal. And of course, we got Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to y'all out there. Go make some kids. We need workers. But I don't imagine it's going to be too big a deal. I think I'll still be all right. I've had dental work and done videos before, but that's if they're short, probably because I'm not really feeling it. But trust and believe, I will be consistent. ADM's getting closer. I will be consistent, and I will at least handle my business for my accounts. Obviously, it's a lot faster if I'm not doing a video, because I know what I'm looking for. I'm not trying to explain anything. I'm just blazing. And not like you crazy people in Illinois. You do a different kind of blazing over there. That's forever going to be strange to me. Bank of Hawaii. That thing's getting close. It's really weird. You can see, even though the market's like not that far down, a lot of value plays are getting close to value territory. And I'm starting to lick my chops a little bit. I would love to get some stocks. But it's just close, but no cigar. Hawaiian Electric posted weird earnings today too. We have huge position in that, and I think they're going to be okay, but I don't know. Wow. Look at that one, went from our little circle. Boom. And collect a dividend along the way. They're going to be bugs. There's always going to be bugs. Universal still sliding. See, that's why the swing trade is a good addition. There's obviously some reason it didn't hit the scanner, right? So since we're just goofing, let's find out. What is the reason this did not hit the screener? There's something wrong with it. There it is. Forward PE. Got some incomplete data here. I don't know. It's definitely not been flat the whole time. So something's going on here with this one. But thankfully, with the swing trade strategy, I will not need to even look at it. So even though it might have missed out on a flip trade or something like that in the other account, we'll still take it in the swing. But like I said, you have fewer entries, and the entries are more time apart. So, and remember, there's always income coming into this account from dividends. So the cash flow is the key. Got to get the flow started to really start to see it work. But that's what we got today. I hope this video was a little helpful to you. Our EPR didn't fill or nothing like that, but the buy order's in, and if it does, I'll put the sell order in of a morning, and we'll see if we can do a quick flip. It's still pretty tight. I'm still waiting on tax documents. Obviously, I'm even gonna think about it until March, but we'll start to get our figures up, so at least we know what the tax bill is going to be if there is one. It wouldn't surprise me if it's $2,000-3,000. I think that's what I expect. And then we will get that paid and get that money taken out and go full steam ahead again. So I hope y'all are doing good this tax season as well. Happy Valentine's Day to you early. And like I said, just be prepared whatever happens tomorrow. If I go quick or I'm not feeling it, cool. Or if I'm loopy and I'm telling you stories about crazy stuff, then enjoy, I guess. So have an awesome, awesome evening. We'll try again tomorrow. Peace.